In this lesson, we are going to talk about the changes that artificial intelligence is introducing in different areas. We will talk a little bit about the accuracy of the reports, and we will see a summary of changes in 4 essential areas: jobs, businesses, startups, and society. The world's leading consulting firms have analyzed the impact of artificial intelligence. The impact of artificial intelligence on employment, businesses, startups, society, and more. These forecasts are not an exact science, but it seems reasonable to consider them to prepare for what's coming. Next, we will see a brief summary of the changes by areas. In the following sections, we will do a more detailed analysis of each of them. Let's talk briefly about the changes that artificial intelligence is introducing around jobs, employment. Mainly, artificial intelligence is going to change the way we work. Just like what happened with the internet or mobile phones, using AI will improve employee productivity. We will be able to do more things in less time. Artificial intelligence will not have a significant impact on 30% of jobs. Like the internet, artificial intelligence will eliminate some jobs. Initially, this figure will be less than 10%, but some experts like Elon Musk or the CTO of OpenAI estimate that artificial intelligence could eventually make almost all jobs unnecessary. So artificial intelligence is going to change the way we work. It will replace some jobs, it will change most, and it will create some new jobs. This is very interesting for you as a professional, but also for you as an entrepreneur. We will talk about this later. Let's see now a brief summary of the changes that artificial intelligence is going to introduce in the business area. Like the internet or mobile phones, companies now will adopt artificial intelligence as a work tool in multiple areas. Adopting artificial intelligence will become a competitive weapon that can alter a company's position in its sector. Companies that adopt artificial intelligence more quickly and intelligently can outperform those that resist change. Remember, some companies will disappear as a result of artificial intelligence. So, if you remember 30 years ago, with the internet revolution, the business world changed a lot. Same thing with the jobs market and with the startups field. Within artificial intelligence is going to happen something similar, but even bigger. First of all, businesses are going to adopt artificial intelligence as a tool. So imagine the size of the market opportunity you have in front of you if every company you know is going to adopt artificial intelligence. Imagine the number of companies you are going to be able to help. Artificial intelligence is a competitive weapon that will change the status quo among competitors. Companies that are fast to adopt artificial intelligence is going to advance much more quickly than the ones resisting changes. This happened before with the internet, with the mobile revolution. this is going to happen again. This is going to open a lot of opportunities and also a lot of threats for companies. In the startup world, the new artificial intelligence will create as many or even more startups as the internet and mobile technology did. Business angels and venture capital investors in the most innovative areas of the world are already confirming this perception. It is still very early for artificial intelligence startups. The technology is still very young and in some respects expensive and unstable. So we are going to talk a lot about artificial intelligence startups in this program, but you are going to see that we are just at the beginning of this new trend. So in the next 10 years, there is going to be an explosion of AI startups, and you are now in a very good position to take advantage of this huge trend. In the society as a whole, as happened with the internet and mobile technologies, the new artificial intelligence will change the way we live, inform ourselves, learn, communicate, shop, spend our leisure time, etc. As happened with the internet and mobile technologies, the new artificial intelligence will become a tool of mass use. And as happened with the internet and mobile technologies, the new artificial intelligence will bring new ethical and legal problems. So remember what happened with the internet. It changed the way we lived. We inform ourselves, we learned, we communicate, we shop, and we spend our leisure time. Same thing is going to happen with artificial intelligence. The number of areas it is going to impact is almost unlimited. So for all the professionals that are ready, that are prepared to make this change happen, the number of opportunities ahead are really infinite. In this lesson, we have seen a summary of the changes that artificial intelligence is introducing in 4 essential areas: jobs, businesses, startups, and society. We have talked about the accuracy of the reports, and you have to see predictions as what they are, just predictions. The important thing for us is the huge consensus among all these predictions and the trends that they are signaling. In the next lesson, we are going to see in depth the changes in jobs that artificial intelligence is bringing.